Hey guys, what's up? I am so excited to be here to talk to you and check out this new Logitech G Pro X Super Lightweight 2 LIGHTSPEED. Let's check it out. I'll talk to you about some of the basic features and then I'm gonna have to use it for a week or so. I'll come back, I'll let you know what that experience was like. But let's take a look at it. If you're looking for a great mouse, cannot go wrong with this. There is a link down there below, helps out the channel if you use our link. We really do appreciate it. I'm gonna say thank you in advance. Like, subscribe, follow those while you're down there. So I took it out of the box before, and I have to say, I don't understand how something so lightweight can have a battery that's gonna give you about a 70-hour runtime. That just doesn't seem to make sense to me, but we're gonna check it out, see how it actually works out. Feels great in my hand, I'll tell you that much. It's 100% designed around gaming, all the way for beginners to experts. It's got an 8K polling rate with LIGHTFORCE hybrid switches. It's got the new Hero 2 sensor and 888 IPS tracking speed. 44,000 DPI, 5 independently programmable buttons. So I think the only thing to do right now is I'm gonna take that USB-C charging, charge it up, use it for a couple days. I'll come back, I'll let you know what my experience was gaming with it. Welcome back. It's been about a week. I have been using this Logitech mouse and I am 90% so in love with it. I'm gonna have one small thing which is very specific to me, but let's talk about all the good things first. I love the soft touch and the accuracy is absolutely outstanding. Feels great in your hand ergometrically. And I didn't think that ultralight thing was gonna make that much of a difference, but it definitely, there is a noticeable difference that it is ultralight. Function keys, the programming, everything worked perfectly as one would expect. It's a very developed unit, so I wasn't expecting issues with that. Here is my one issue, which could be completely specific to me, but I thought I'd share it with you. I am a big fan of being able to kind of have the click on the wheel and then have it be able to freewheel and just be like bzz, 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 because a lot of what I do is working on a timeline, editing videos and scrolling forward and scrolling back in a video. And for me to be able to just flip that and have it spin and go forward and back is important to me for what I do, but not so important in the gaming world, which this is really more designed for. So I would say this is still a 95% fabulous for me. There's just that 5%, which is a Doug specific thing, which I don't think is gonna affect most people. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.